Hello everyone. Today I have something to share about from this book. The book's name is When Things Don't Go Your Way. It means uh, the thing that we want cannot follow, and I choose one sentence here. So, wrote by Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah, you know, right? Him. The world has enough for everyone needs, but not enough for everyone greeds. Yes, good. This is also spoken by the Buddha. So in the uh, Buddha, in the Buddhism, there are three men of the kilesa. So lobha, dosa, and moha. So the world has a lot of the thing that we want, that we need, so we can stay, we can lies, we can find everything uh, for our life. Yes, you're right. So, but they can give enough thing to us, to human being. Uh, Even the so many people here, like billion or 1 billion or 1 million people, they can give us the thing that human needs, but the world not enough for the one who greed. It means, now you can see the world, what happened right now. Yes, the world become a war. The world become to the kill one by one, to the uh, do everything. Yes, like in Cambodia and Thailand. So Thailand is bigger than Cambodia and has more people than Cambodian. Yeah, and richer than Cambodia, but they still want the other land, so they cannot enough for what they have, and they still want everything. Yes, not just only Thailand, and we talk about other country also. Yeah, you are right. So this is uh, they sometimes they become a how to say, grateful of themselves, be to steal other land, to steal other property, but uh, one other way, they don't thinking about the uh, problem or issue of or sorrow of the people who lose the job, who lose the land, who lose their home, so everything. Yeah, nowadays you can steal everything. So one question to ask them: after you die, what you take to go with you? Yeah, nothing, right? Yeah. So based on to the Buddhas, so when we die, if we have a lot of the unwholesome deed, we will go to the hell, and after coming the hell, we become to the animal. After release from the animal, we become the human, but the one who has no the wisdom, don't know the everything which is good or not good. Yeah, this is the uh, what we come from is, which we come from is, we come from a greedy. Yeah, we want the thing that not belong to us. Yes, so to be controlled that, we have to enough. Yeah, the Buddha said that Santuti. So as a man, so the Buddha teach us to be enough for every day. So the Buddha allowed for one bowl and three of the uh, uh, how to say this one, a rope. Yes. So this only shooting is will be happy. Why? You can ask. You will ask. Why we be happy about nothing? Yeah. So we have no money so much. It means like the money we cannot to accept the money. Yeah. But I am not talking about the Vinaya. Yeah. So how we be happy for that? Yeah. Yes. We happy be enough. Yeah. So you can ask the people who reach. Yeah. And what do you happy? Yeah. They will answer your question that sometimes they happy but sometimes they not happy. This is just from their mind, but we can look from the outside. Yeah. So what do they feel right now? They want to take. They have they have money in the hand right now, but they want more. Yeah. They want more and more and more. So they cannot put enough, and they so suffering about in the mind. But when we look at the outside, it's okay. Yes, he is so happy. He got the car, he got the money, he got the home. Yeah, he got the big country. His country is so rich. Yeah, so many tourism come to visit. Yeah, so everything. Yeah, but inside, you can ask and you can feel by yourself. We cannot too happy with that. So the Buddha give the best way for happy is to be enough. Yeah. So you can ask, so when we enough for that, how can we release how to say, I'm sorry, how to we rest the children? Yes, the Buddha allowed to be find the property or do the job for the right way. Yeah, for the right way, not the wrong way. We can find the job, we can find the everything what we want, but on the right way. When we go to the wrong way, we will be want to get more and more, and our mind will not be happy with that. So when we go into the right way, so the Buddha give the way for each of the way. Samadhi have the right view. Sama Sankappa have the right thought. Sama Vacha have the right speech. Sama Kammanta have the right work or action. Sama Ajiva have the right job. Sama Ajiva, Sama Vayama have the right Vidya. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Sama Vayama, Sama Sati have the right Sati, and Sama Samadhi have the right meditation. So one of them, Sama Ajiva, the Buddha said that to be find the property by the right way. Yeah, not to be take from the other, not to be steal from the other, not to be get by the speech wrong and to be a scam. No, not be that. So Sama Ajiva, the Buddha said. Sama ajiwa. Yeah. Ajiwa it means how to say career. We can translate that career. So sama is mean right. We have the right career. Yeah. So this is the best thing that spoke by the Mahatma Gandhi in India. But when we talking about Dharma, also the Buddha has spoken by the Buddha in 2000 years ago. Yeah, more than 2000 years ago, and this is has in every people. Yeah, the greedy. So when we study the Dharma, when we learn the Dharma, when we spoke about the Dharma, the first main thing that the Buddha said is to be control your uh, greedy. Yes, greedy, loka. Yeah. Yeah, so repeat it again. The world has enough for everyone needs, but not everyone script. Yeah. Yes, good. I like that. Yeah. Yeah. This book. Thank you everyone. So will be the world if we want. Yeah. If we want the world peace. Yeah. To the peace, not have the war, not uh, do the bad thing to the other. So we have to be enough for ourselves. Yeah. So if we don't enough, we don't have the enough thing in ourselves. You can see every country right now. What happened in this country right now? Yeah, you can look at your own country, and you can see. You can look at your neighbor. You can look at your ruin. You can look at uh, every people nearby you. Yeah. So when we stay with the people who get enough, so you will be get the peace. But when we stand nearby the people who greedy, cannot do enough, we will be sorrow, we will be not be happy. Yes. Thank you everyone. Yes, this is maybe a little bit long, and I hope that I can share something to you. And so thank you, and I hope that how the everyone supports my page and my YouTube. Yeah. Before I'm trying to use the TikTok, but I'm not. So I'm just only YouTube and the page. Yeah, this is my page. Yeah, so you can follow. Yeah. Thank you for your following. Yeah, and I will share something and what I scored. Yeah. Thank you. And nowadays I'm trying to learn more the Ghana. Yeah. And I hope that I can share to the world. Yeah. So goodbye.